Hi everybody, it's Robert at MySchoolYear.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Sort by Date feature in the Tools section of Lesson Plan. It's super easy to use and comes in very handy if you ever get your display sequence and dates out of order. Let's step through an example to see how it works. I am in William's geometry class, the lesson screen. I originally used Create a Plan to create all my lessons. You can see the lessons I created, the chapter lessons, the summary and reviews, and the algebra reviews. However, when I created all of the tests, I accidentally set them to appear at the end of all the lessons. So let's scroll down to take a look. The test dates themselves are correct, but they appear after all of the chapter lessons, tests, and final exams. That's not really what I want. I want these lessons to appear in their correct display sequence. I don't need to change the dates, just the display sequence. I can fix this by clicking on the Tools button. We can see all of the lesson tools available. The Sort by Date option, or Sort for short, is already selected by default. It is important to note that all lessons will be resequenced in ascending date order. Non-dated lessons will be placed at the top of the list. This action will update both completed and incomplete lessons. Now click the Sort by Date button. We then get a confirmation window, and we click OK to continue. Our sorting is processed, and the screen will refresh with all of our lessons. So let's take a look. Our first test was on September 12th, and it is now displaying between our lessons on September 11th and September 13th. I can scroll down further to see that Test 2 is also in both the correct display order and the correct date order. Remember, our dates were not changed, only the display order was. So if you ever jumble your lessons around such that the display order does not match your date order, use the Sort by Date tool to get reorganized. Thanks for watching, and thanks for choosing MySchoolYear.com.